Let's lock in.
We don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never paid nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Yeah, we don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never paid nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Who got math like this? PSG Lions lock in, get nasty. How you take your trades each day? You know we math and Fibonacci. We don't play no games with Mario's, no Nintendo, no Atari. Don't be late to the show. Never drop no oops. I'm sorry. I don't care if they ain't happy with us. Little hyenas, go sip some coffee. Kimba gang on the net, iCarly. Let us up on the set by Marley. Y'all cubs can't be tone deaf. Tell me how I sound somebody. This new drop hit like the Hardys. Ladies love our swag like we on a Harley. We in that mode, never switching up on the click. Turn haters to cartoon. Teach a man that an Eddie, little bitch. These charts stand so much, we should call him Charlie. Make a bias so damn strong. Got the team sipping biscotti. Might flip right out and get gnarly. The team tryna party. Kimba gang, Kimba gang, Kimba gang. Kimba gang, Kimba gang. Kimba gang, Kimba gang, Kimba gang. We don't get no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never paid nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't raising nobody. We don't get no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never paid nobody. Rolling with the energy, Kimba gang, ain't raising nobody.
Mic check, 1, 2, 3. We are back on another Kimbillionaire game show. It's the first one of the new year. Happy New Year, Lions. Are you guys in here? Mic check. Hacky's favorite, John Brock, Ivan C, and Sammy is in here. Let's go. Happy New Year, Lions. How was the New Year's? Everybody stayed up? Curvizi, Petrush, welcome. Happy New Year. Thank you guys for being here again. As you guys know, we're gonna run some game show, 50 new questions. Who will take it home for the first ever Kimbillionaire game show in 2026? I almost said 25. It will take some time to get used to. Inky's in here, Lux, and Curvizi as well. Welcome. As you guys know, 15 questions. For this game show, again, only one of you who will take home the Coinwise promo codes, because the Kimbillionaire game show is still sponsored by the Coinwise team. Shout out to Coinwise team helping you guys to juice up! Coinwise. So more than ever, getting into the hot seat in these games now is crucial, because it will give you guys 20 points by answering correctly during the hot seat. So that being said, let's just get started and jump right into it.
Oh, so Cyper.
Hey, Cage, hi. So the first question is, the year of the horse is all about speed and energy. In crypto trading, moving too fast often leads to A. Guaranteed profits. B. Revenge trading and bigger losses after a bad trade. C. Lower transaction fees. Or D. Better understanding of market trends. As you guys know, you guys can participate by typing one of the options.
Lions know this. Oh.
Let's go Lions lock in. We have Curve Easy, Inky, XLR, Sammy, and Imsin. Our previous winners were XLR at the first place in the last game show, which was last year. Ooh. And we had Happy 420 and Cucadeliosa, I believe. They were the winners for the last game show of 2025. So let's see who will take it home for the New Year's. Couple of seconds left, Lions. Lock in for the possible answers. Yes, XLR, you're on a cooldown, but you can still track your points. Inky, have more faith in yourself. A lot of you have voted for B, so we are locking in B for the first question of the day. And as Cajun said, the points are being tracked whether you are in a cooldown or not, so we can check it. And we also have a previous winners leaderboard, which keeps track all of the games that happened so far and all of your points. Lions, as you guys know, in the Chinese zodiac, we entered the year of the horse, so there will be a little bit of wordplays here and there today. And congratulations to the Lions answering correctly in the first ever Kimbillionaire game show of 2026. Congratulations. Hey Vadimo, the best way to be informed about that is to check our Discord, Discord, where we have an amazing community, and if KIMBA comes back, you guys can always read it and the announcements as well, other streaming related things on the Discord. And just quickly look at the leaderboard. Everybody got some points. Yeah. Let's continue. What is front running in cryptocurrency markets? A. Always being the first to sell in a dip. B. Using high-speed internet only. I don't know about that one, I don't have it. C. Buying a token before a big announcement goes public. Or D. Traders or bots placing orders ahead of large visible trades to profit from price movement. Don't get it twisted, Lions, only we're locking in C. Yeah, it depends what we think about front running, right? Whether we know some information is out and we can leverage that, or we would use the data that we already see on the charts and profit from that movement. That being said, unfortunately, C wasn't the right answer, and Curvy said he's going with D alongside with GB4. Maybe that was the right answer, but for now you guys will need to vote for a lifeline. That being said, please vote for a lifeline by typing 1, 2 or 3 in the chat. Maybe you guys can have another chance to take another vote. That way you guys can read the questions again and the possible answers, and then have another shot at this. And now we are using our lifeline, which was use another vote. The timer is back on the screen, so Lions, make sure to choose between E, A, B and D. Please don't vote for C. So what is front running in cryptocurrency markets? What we can see by the data, and those data can be seen not just by human traders but also maybe bots and algos. because whether we look at the same charts or not, everybody sees the same thing, whether you're an algo or you're a human. We have some votes on A and D this time. D is in data. We have Sammy and Lux, and Kirby's is sticking with his option as D as before. And now we are locking in D, D as in data. The lions are saying traders or bots placing orders ahead of large visible trades to profit from during a price movement. And congratulations, it was actually D. But front running can be interpreted in multiple ways, but I believe that's the general mindset when it comes to front running. Congratulations, Lions. Let's continue in question 3. We are heading towards our first hot seat moment in a couple of seconds. Horses run freely. In crypto, the closest thing to freedom for your asset is holding your own private keys, also known as self-custody. B. Trading only meme coins. C. Keeping everything on one exchange. Or D. Lending everything on a DeFi platforms. That makes sense, says XLR TV, and locking in A. What about the other lions? Do you guys practice self-custody? Do you guys have freedom? Couple of seconds left, let's go. And Kirby says, don't forget the horse is on the fire. Yeah. You know what else is on fire? The hot seat. The hot seat is full of fire questions. We're locking in A, Lions. We're locking in A, aka as holding your own private keys, also known as self-custody. Inky says, I did, and turns out Ledger needs to be updated regularly, not once every 4 years. Yeah, one of my Ledger was like out of juice. I had to charge it, the battery. Show some love to our top 3 participants is Iban Shees, Sammy and Lux Slayer. And we have the cooldown guys down at the bottom. Let's go, let's go. I believe we have 16 people on cooldown. That's a lot of winners. But today only one of you will take it home. Shout out to Coinwise team, exclamation Coinwise. What does KYC stand for on a crypto exchange? Lions. When it's easy, it's easy. It's A, know your coin. B, know your customer. Or C, keep your crypto to yourself. Or D, key yield calculation. We have the Lions locking in B confidently. And yeah, as you guys know, Coinwise has a Christmas and New Year's sale, which is currently still live. In the previous Kimbillionaire game show, we talked about it. They have 30% off for every plan until January of 4th, 2026. So make sure to grab that if you haven't already, in case if you don't win today. And we're locking in B, Lions, aka know your customer. Dika Flax, happy new year to you as well. I hope you have some new year resolutions. I know Houston has some. Everybody working hard to make those resolutions become true. Shout out Houston. And shout out to the Lions locking in B, because that's our right answer. The screen is turning green and confetti is on the screen. Congratulations, congratulations. Alliance. We used one of the lifelines, but hopefully we won't need it for this time. The spotlight is out. This is the first chance to take one of the CoinWise promo codes home by answering the hot seat question right, which means you guys need to type join in the chat to enter the hot seat scenario. It's gonna be a hard question, but a worth one. You guys have a couple of seconds left to join. We have XLR Curvies, XLR front-running Curvies with the join command. And also Inky, Sami, and Ibenshi and Maestro are almost joining the hot seat. Make sure to spell it right. Couple of seconds left. By answering the hot seat on time, Lions, you guys will get 20 points as well, multiplied points by answering during the time window when there is the hot seat, and only one of you will have a chance to take it for the Lions, take it home, and answer the hot seat question. Hey Crypto Bro, welcome back. We are juicing and choosing Brutara Crypto for the hot seat. I believe that's his first hot seat question. The horse Zodiac loves strength and endurance. In trading, this matches with the following options. I need you to choose one of them. A. Chasing quick pumps and dumps. B. Using 100 leverage. C. Building a strong portfolio and sticking to it and your plan through ups and downs, and trading only during Asian session hours. What could it be? Brutara Crypto, I wanna see a vote from you. I see the other Lions are voting. But I need that person to lock in. We're locking in C in one of the last seconds. Only 10 seconds left. Brutara Crypto, but you answered. You got this. You chosen C as in building a strong portfolio and sticking to it. Sticking to your plans through ups and downs. Whatever happens, you true to yourself and to your plan. You won't get emotions get to you because you have a plan. And Lions, I believe Brutara Crypto answered his first hot seat question right, so make sure to show some love to the man himself. Let's go. Congratulations by gaining 20 points answering one of the hot seat questions. We are one step closer. And it shows because Brutara Crypto just dethroned Lux Slayer from the top 3. Ooh, between top 3 and top 4 is almost at top 2 is really close. And looks like IBAN is gaining the points because he answered all questions correctly. Yeah. Let's go. What is the honeypot scam in crypto? A. Free airdrops that are actually valuable. Cough, HYPERLIQUID. B. An exchange bonus program. C. A token that looks attractive, but you can buy. So you can buy it, but you can never sell it. Or D. A liquidity pool with a very high rewards. Hopefully nobody run into a scam in crypto. It's important to educate yourself. And what's the better place to educate yourself about crypto than none other than the CoinWise website, !CoinWise, official sponsor of Kimbillionaire game show, where they have an amazing educational videos, quizzes, trading journals, and even indicators that you could use to your arsenal when it comes to trading. And we're locking in C. Honeypot, you guys say, is a token that looks attractive. We can buy it, but we can never sell it. We keep stuck in the honey. And the Lions, who have voted for C, are correct. Congratulations. One lifeline down, but 6 questions in, Lions. Congratulations. Let's go. You guys are juicing. And as you guys know, Coinwise, I believe they always coming up with new things, and already in January they have new quizzes and also a new beginner lesson, which was how to use leverage. Any leverage enjoyers in the chat? Horses are fast and powerful. In crypto charts, a sudden strong upward move is often called A. A distribution phase. B. A dead cat bounce. C. A pump or a breakout. Or D. Consolidation. I believe Lions of Lithuania, Lions who are enjoying the Got Talent shows, everybody who was a winner in the Got Talent show, they all can drive Juiciest Bugatti, which you guys can see in the intro. Everybody who wins the Got Talent shows gets also rewarded with the Bugatti. It's as fast as a horse and as powerful as a horse. It has a lot of horsepower. Am I right? We lock again C with this one. AKA a pump or a breakout. And indeed, a sudden strong upward move is a pump or a breakout. Shout out to breakout enjoyers on a weekly time frame. PAG, stand up. If PAG is in here, are you guys working together? Shout out to the Lions participating and being here today. What is the main risk of using very high leverages? For example, 100x or 500x in crypto futures. Shout out to you guys, shout out PSG. We have the possible options as A. Automatic conversion to stablecoins. B. Getting liquidated quickly on a small price move against you. C. Higher rewards from the exchange itself. Or D. Slower trade execution. We have IMSI and Inky, XLR, Curveezy, Semi, Mr. Larry, MJ, Nicoflax. Everybody is locking in with those questions. We have 20 seconds left, Lions. Curveezy says we have one right now in BTC, a sudden upward movement. Yeah, I can't see the BTC chart now, but we can look at it together. I see you still driving away with the keys. We locked in B. B is in getting liquidated quickly on a small price move against you. I believe KIMBA always said that if you have a plan and everything, you don't really need to use high leverage. Everything above 10x is considered a high leverage. We locked in B as the possible option that it's gonna be right. And I must say that I'm really proud of the Lions. We lock again with this game show in 2026. You guys are clearing the path all the way to the top to get that Coinwise promo code. Shout out to the Coinwise team. And shout out to the Lions. We're already at question 9 and almost at 100 points by IBAN, leading the charts. But we have Semi right behind him and Lux Slayer. Ooh, it looks like it's a tie between top 2 and top 3. Who will take it from IBAN? We have Brutal Crypto, MJ28, Dickflax, Hack Spirit, Mr. Larry, John Brock. Shout out Kirby with 120 points and Inky with 112 points. The people who are representing PSG and are currently on a cooldown. Ooh, that's a juice. The year of the horse encourages bold moves, but in trading, the boldest and smartest move is often the following. A. Ignoring stop losses to show strength. B. Going all in one token. C. Taking profits gradually as price rises. Or D. Borrowing money to trade more. That's the one thing that Sato does, and I think it's not the right move. But Sato never learned that. You guys keeping up with the tale with the Hujusin saga? I believe Sato was also celebrating New Year's Eve, so there wasn't any movement. But Hujusin the Panda, it's still on a winning streak against Sato. So make sure to check out Hujusin YouTube channel. Couple of seconds left. It's exclamation Hujusin. So the Lions are saying that the smartest move often is to taking profits gradually as price rises. As well, having your stop loss set during a trade. But you guys, if you guys still have questions regarding risk management, I'm happy to say that Coinwise has a topic on psychology and risk management as well. Maybe it will be a good reminder going into this new year what the psychology is about in trading and risk management. But the Lions looks like they know what's up because we locked in C and it was the right answer. Congratulations. Cage, I believe you got a question from XLR. Guys, if you guys have any question related to Coinwise indicators, make sure to head over to the
Korean
Coinwise Discord
streamers
channel.
indicator for Coinwise? Are you suggesting a bilingual indicator?
Or just like Sato indicator?
Or Sato's liquidation indicator? And always updating Sato.
That would be juice. Yeah, Maestro says the same. He wants the attract
That is
Sato
ridiculous.
liquidation. Yeah. If you guys remember Kimba, I think a couple of months ago he always had like a Korean military zone
Though.
that showed Sato's liquidation.
We could technically.
Yeah. But Lions, don't get carried away. We are in the middle of a game show and the spotlight is
Keep
out
getting
on the
carried
screen.
away.
The spotlight is
Keep
out
getting
on the
crazy,
screen.
y'all.
You guys either juiced up already that you guys have time to talk about Sato and not join the hot seat. What is going on, Lions? What is going on? We have 1 minute left to join the hot seat. Make sure to type join in the chat. Only one of you will have a chance to sit on the hot seat. It's very hot. It's very juicy. Let's get in there, Lions. We have Kirby, XLR, Inky, Maestro, Imsin, Justy giving encouragement to don't get God. Hey, Lions, couple of seconds left. Let's get into those hot seats. We have 8 entries so far, so we're gonna choose between the 8 of you. And everybody can join. Which means even the mods can join. Cage Wins, Justy. If you guys feel like sitting down on the seat, then feel free to do so. I know Cage Wins has a good winning history when it comes to the hot seat.
I don't want to do it because I'm gonna take it.
Yeah.
I'll get
We
it
are
for sure.
choosing MJ28 for this hot seat. What does staking mean in proof of stake cryptocurrencies? Do you know? A. Locking up your coins to help secure the network and earn rewards. B. Selling tokens at regular intervals. Or C. Trading them on centralized exchanges only. Or D. Burning them to reduce supply. MJ is locking in B. We had many seconds left on the hot seat timer. Looks like MJ knows what's up. A lion with just over a year badge. Lions, do you guys believe in MJ? I wanna see you guys encouraging MJ in his choice before we continue. Do you guys believe in our fellow lion? Kirby says he got this. Everybody is locking on A. I also believe in him, MJ. That's not your first time in the hot seat. Inkivita, yes, exclamation. That could be funny in programming language. Whenever you say that in programming, it means the opposite. But I also believe in MJ. And look at that! It turned green. MJ, congratulations, congratulations. Getting the second question for the Coinwise promo code. Yeah, let's go. MJ, let's go. It's crazy. You guys know how strong is the hot seat? Show some love to our participants. IBAN still in the first place with 150 points, answering 10 questions correctly. Even though he is not answering the hot seats, he is still winning. We have MJ coming up in the second place after answering the hot seat, and we have Sammy and Lux on tie. And it's really close between the top 5 participants. Ooh, that's crazy. You guys know what's crazier? I don't see Damon in here, but we had an all-time leaderboard where Damon is crazily going and winning in the all-time leaderboard. Show some love to PIG and show some love to your fellow Lions participating always in the game shows. Let's quickly look at the leaderboard, the previous winners leaderboard. We have Imsin, with 2,255 points. I'm gonna do a quick scroll, Lions. This is the list that always gets updated by the winners. We had more than, I believe, 20 games so far. And as you guys know, it got updated last year. It's just a funny joke. But yeah. We have a lot of winners, Lions. Thank you for being here. Thank you for playing the game. A flying cap on Juiciest cam. Hey, you know what it is. It's always magical to being here. Where are you, XLR? I believe you were in there. You are in there. You are at rank 24 in the previous leaderboard winners. Let's continue, Lions. Horses hate being trapped. In crypto, feeling trapped most often happens when you do one of the followings. A. You use a hardware wallet. B. You sell too early and price moons. Or is it you buy at the top and price keeps falling? There is a meme to it. Kirby said it's an underwater gang. Or is it D. You earn staking rewards? We made it this far, Lions. Let's go. Let's continue the good momentum. Michu, welcome back. Any new Lions who are playing, please make sure that you filled out the game show submission form, have an active Coinwise account, and your TradingView account is linked to your Coinwise profile. That way you will be eligible for today's winnings to take home the Coinwise promo. And you guys can redeem your prizes over at the Coinwise Discord channel, where they have a redeem section, and I'm pretty sure the Coinwise support team will help you guys redeem your prizes, as long as everything is correct with the submission forms. We lock in C, C as in you buy at the top, but price keeps falling. XRR said, just redeemed mine. W? Hey, that's a W, thank you for doing it. Enjoy. Now Lions, we locked in C, C as in Cyper the host, and it looks like for question 11 this was the right answer. Hey, we juicing. How you guys failed that one question that we used the lifeline for? You guys are locked in. Looks like everybody have woken up and warmed up for the game show. Let's go Lions. What is wash trading? A quick, short question. Cleaning your wallet address for privacy. B. Moving coins between your own wallets. C. Withdrawing profits regularly. Or is it D as in data? Fake trading volume created by buying and selling to yourself to mislead the market and your fellow participants in the market. Lock in Lions, lock in. And as you guys know, and hopefully you guys read the announcements over at our Discord channel, that we have some trading competitions going on. Make sure to never fake your volume. Play fairly and get rewarded. We're locking in D. D as in data, aka fake trading volume created by buying and selling to yourself, mislead the market. Lions, I'm happy to say that we are in a winning streak because this one turned green as well. Congratulations. Now for question 13. The horse here brings energy and action. Which trading habit action used most wisely? Do you guys A. Checking the chart every 5 minutes all day? B. Arguing with strangers online about price predictions? C. Copy trading random successful accounts? Or D. Having a clear plan before entering any trade? And hopefully journaling them over at the Coinwise Trading Journal. 30 seconds left, Lions. Michu says, hit him with the D, hit him with the data. Let's go, Lions, let's go. Lock in. One way to find out who is the winner by going all the way to the top. We have a lot of Lions passing the 100 points barrier. We're locking in D. Girlfriend, Brutal Crypto, also locking in D. So those guys are probably getting some points for this one, because it was the right answer. We as traders, as especially as Lions, we always rely on data and plans. Never let yourself being emotional about a trade. Even if you miss one, make sure to recompose yourself because there's always another trade. I'm sorry. The doggo is doggoing here. rooting for the Lions. What happens during a capitulation phase in crypto bear market? A. Exchanges stop trading temporarily. B. Everyone buys aggressively. C. New all-time highs are made. Or D. Weekends sell in panic, often marking the bottom. Do you guys have a dream to buy at the bottom and trade all the way to new all-time highs, securing that bag? I know we all have that. And we didn't even really had a Santa rally, so let's see what this new year brings to us for gains. But you should never paper hand your gains. We're locking in D. D as in data again. We can sell in panic after marking the bottom. Lickaflex says, imagine holding it all the time, then selling when you say I'm done, and then price reverses. It definitely happened. It definitely happens with people who are new to the space. One of my tactics before I mastered my emotions, but I would still like I'm learning every day as you guys, but sometimes I just delete the apps so I don't have access to them. I'm just holding them. As well as the Lions holding the good points in their hands because we just cleared question 14. Let's go Lions. That's crazy. The spotlight is out. I believe that's our last hot seat question of the day, but the first one for the 2026. So Lions, please make sure to jump into that hot seat. You guys have 1 minute left to enter the hot seat by entering on Twitch chat and type join. And shout out to the YouTube gang. Usually I'm not sure if we have somebody over at the YouTube, but hopefully they can participate as well and make sure to join. Let's go. Couple of seconds left, Lions. I have Teddy here to root for you guys while we wait for the right person. His name is Teddy. He also looks like a lion. Let's go. Ten seconds left. He's Teddy, and he's fluffy as a teddy bear. And we are choosing IMSIN for the last hot seat of the day. Horses are known for strength and speed together. In crypto success, the best combination is one of the following options. Yeah, he needs a lot of combing. Let's go Lions, lock in. And IMSIN already locked in. That was fast. Okay, now Lions. IMSIN locked in very fast. What do you say, Teddy? You have something to say to the Lions? IMSIN says he don't need help. Well, hey XLR, thank you for participating. Thank you for being here, even if it's late there. You are amazing, and good night. Now IMSIN, locked in D. This is the first game show of 2026. IMSIN answering the last question for this game show, and I believe he was right because the screen turned green And we just cleared the game show. Hey, let's go Lions, let's go, congratulations. Just quickly look at the leaderboard, and our winner is not other than Iben Shi with 182 points. Hey Lions, that's amazing. We have second at MJ and Sammy at third. But don't forget our participants today. Huge shout out to Luxlayer, Dicaflex, Brutala Crypto, Miduch, Aline, Hockey Spirit, Mr. Larry, Curveezy, and Inky. You guys had Kirby's had 243 points and Inky had 225 points and XLR had 200 points. But you guys are in a cooldown, and Imsin was sitting in 14, leaderboard 14 with 185 points by securing the last hot seat question. Congratulations, clearing the first game show of 2026, Lions. That's amazing. And I want you, IBAN, to make sure to redeem your prize over at the CoinWise Discord channel. As long as you filled out your game show submission form, have an active CoinWise account, and your TradingView account is linked to your CoinWise profile. Lions, that's juice. That's amazing. Even Teddy is proud of you. We just cleared the first game show of 2026, and many more to come. Show some love to your fellow Lions who have participated today. Each and every one of you fought hard and fought amazing answering these questions. We used only one lifeline, but it doesn't even matter because we get all the way to the end. Hey Kirby's, thank you for being here. Nitrogen, welcome. Hey Juiciest, Cage wins. I believe the Lions did amazing.
Lions, thank you for playing.
Hey Nitrogen, thank you. The real Aaron, Curveezy. Iben Shi, congratulations for winning the game show. Lions, thank you for participating today. Don't forget that this week we're gonna have market resumption with Cage Wins himself on Sunday. So make sure to juice up in a Friday and in the weekend, spend it with your loved ones. And while you guys are resting over the weekend, don't forget that the CoinWise has a New Year sale promotion where 30% off for all plans. Even if you didn't win today, you still have a chance to grab CoinWise indicators, learn about more the educational topics that they have. If you guys enjoy the quizzes here at the Kimbillionaire Game Show, then they also have some quizzes, and even they have their own leaderboards. As well as we have an ongoing space trading competition over at BLOFIN, !BLOFIN, exclusively for the Lions, with a 10,000 prize pool. So make sure to take advantage of that. As well as over at WEEX, I believe we still have a couple of days left. This is January 2nd until the January of 5th. Everybody who is trading over at the WEEX exchange, New Year's draw, the WEEX exchange is gonna draw a winner that can win even an iPhone 17 Pro Max and additional deposit bonuses. If you guys have any questions, make sure to check out our Discord where we have our announcement channel. And Shaman Hodo has a question. Yeah? What's your question? Question is, what's with the VIP trial? You are the person who... I believe I saw you. You're the one who posted the screenshot? At general chat. Yeah, I believe, and since it says it's a trial, like you will have a little sneak peek what it feels like to being a VIP 8. So yeah, enjoy. I'm sure they have a description on the exchange. And if you have any issues, then you can always open a support ticket in our Discord. Lions, you guys are amazing. Ivan Shi, you are the first winner of the Kimbillionaire Game Show 2026. That's an achievement on its own. Lions, thank you for being here in a Friday. Enjoy your rest of your afternoon or rest of your evening if you are in the EU. Make sure to rest, juice up. Make sure your New Year resolutions gonna met this year. We have so much things to look forward to in this year. You guys are amazing. I'm ready to start the car. I'm not sure about Kitchen and Tuesday if they wanna say some encouraging words before we wrap it up. But much love to you as well, Ivan. Make sure to redeem your prize sooner than later. Personal mentorship from the gang. I believe, Shaman, if you haven't already checked out PSG over at the Discord, then make sure to do so. You are not alone in your trading journey. We are all in this together. Bull, Bear, Lions. We are lions in the end of the day. Shaman. In the Discord we have voice chats, and a lot of the guys are already in there. It's called PSG Nerd Out, where many of the lions are hanging daily, and you can ask questions, you can learn from them as well. So it's an amazing place to be. I definitely encourage you to check out the Discord and the PSG as well. That being said, PSG stand up. Let's jump into the car. Thank you guys for today, and see you guys on the next one.
Let's lock in.
We don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Yeah, we don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Who got math like this? PSG lions lock in, get nasty. How you take your trades each day? You know we math and Fibonacci. We don't play no games with Mario's, no Nintendo, no Atari. Don't be late to the show, never drop no oops, I'm sorry. I don't care if they ain't happy with us, little hyenas. Go sip some coffee, Kimba gang on the net, iCarly. Let us up on the set by Marley. Y'all cubs can't be tone deaf, tell me how I sound somebody. This new drop, hit like the Hardys. Ladies love my swag like we on a Harley. We in that mode, never switching up on the click. Turn haters to cartoons, teach a man that an addy, little bitch. These charts dance so much, we should call him Charlie. Make a bias so damn strong, got the team sipping biscotti. Might flip right out and get gnarly, the team tryna party. Kimba gang, 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 Kimba gang. We don't get no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, lock in before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Roll Rolling with the energy, little hyenas. Ain't raising nobody. We don't get no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, locked in before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, Kimba gang, ain't raising nobody.
And we flew to the sun just like that. Lions. Don't go anywhere because we're gonna do some vibe check with Juiciest, that's for sure.